Alright, so I just got back from riding and belt blew up on me with 356 cam. But look at this. This thing is basically nothing. Like all of the ribs and the inside stripped out. Literally, it was just laying inside the cover. Like, I don't know. Has anybody seen anything like this with a torque converter? I know most of y'all don't even like running torque converters in the first place. Everybody's been telling me to go clutch and chain, and I get a lot more power out of it. But look at this, bro. This is ridiculous. I've never seen nothing like this. And like, it's all caught up in places it shouldn't be caught up and everything, bro. This is gonna be a mess. Tell me what y'all think down below, bro. This is wild. Hey man, it's your boy Money Man Rome, and we back here with CharChar. Got her all teed up. I just got off work, man, and tell you guys, I've been riding this thing to work for the past, I think, like month or so now. I ride it to work every day. I've been daily driving it. Even though we got Hymnal, we still ride CharChar. So let me get y'all with some updates, because there's been a whole bunch that's been going on since I haven't recorded too many videos on CharChar. I've been doing some other stuff, but let's get to it. All right, so first, as you guys can see, this crazy setup here. This is our fuel pump. So what I did was I drilled I had fucked up the first time because I got my taps mixed up, and I went to a big ass one. We got I think this is a 1/4 MPT fitting that's going to the fuel pump. That's coming, you know, from the gas tank over to here. So now, if you know anything about Mikunis and the carburetor setup, you should know that Mikunis have an issue where fuel flows out the bottom of the overflow when you add a fuel pump because of the seat and the needle that's inside there. It just honestly lets it flow through. So I did some research, a whole bunch of research, and this is what this is. This is a pressure line that goes to the block. I will include another video of how I did this real quick, so I'm gonna cut to that. Boom. Literally just finished this. So this is what I did to stop the pressure problem. Right into the tank right there, solid mounted, small one. It's not as big as that one down there. And it starts right up. I even fixed the kill switch. I had to rewire it and things like that. Starts first pull. Oh yeah, she's back. She's all good now. And so everything else, what we also have is, you know, it looks similar to how it was, but it's completely different. I don't know if you guys can see that. You see the drain plugs in the front now. Changed it up a little bit, and if you guys can see that bolt that's down there, this is a genuine GX200 block. So we are now up to a 70mm piston, no more 68mm piston, and it still has small valves, but I poured it and polished the head. We still running the 36-pound valve springs. I tried to use the stock rockers that had came with the GX200 motor, and they broke completely on my first day of running them. Like, I literally was at work, I had ran down the street, and then boom, once I got to the end of the street, the bike cut off completely. And when I was on the phone with one of my buddies that I ride with, he was like, Rome, that sounds like no compression at all. Like, what happened, bro? And then when I finally got home, that's what happened. So I'm gonna include a clip of that and what happened. Yo, look at this. I cracked a rocker. That's why I lost compression and it gave out, because I cracked the rocker that day. Here's a clip of the broken rockers. And then other than that, everything's the same. We got some goodies coming up soon. We also got a 3/4 crank now, so we got a different torque converter setup. We actually got the keyway, so we got some other stuff coming for the 3/4 crank too. And Other than that, oh, inside the block when I was installing the 356 cam. So you know with the 356 cam, it has the higher lobes on it. The lobes are a lot sharper, which what gives it that sound. So what I had to do was clearance over 4 millimeters around the piston skirt where the sleeve is in the block, around the skirt of the block where the sleeve is. Sorry, had to reword that. But yeah, and once I did that, shave off over 4 millimeters, it was good from there. And then the other thing is, I don't know if you guys can see how beat up my freaking head is. I got a picture of that too. But those freaking Allen bolts, bro, you gotta be careful with all of these Allen bolts, cause you see I got one that's different down there because one of mine stripped. It stripped completely off. I'm include a picture of that, what I had to do. And it completely stripped off. I had to do something different. And then also, you guys can see I made a little fuel tank bracket, and this is also a new fuel tank because the old one literally fell apart. See, I did some rewiring down there too. But yeah, this is a bracket I use. This is a bracket I made from the old throttle linkage since we got the Mikuni now. You know, we don't gotta worry about all that. So since we got the Mikuni, we don't have to worry about that old throttle linkage. So what I did was I just found a hole that was big in it, bent it down enough to where I didn't have to scoot it up like that. And actually I used the same bolt that goes inside the governor hole when you plug that, and I just put that right through with the nut in the back, which is what holds the bracket on. The bracket doesn't go anywhere. And what actually helps tighten it up is the nuts down there. So those is good. And yeah, so basically we're gonna put you guys on the chest mount, and we're about to go for a little ride real quick. I'm about to change the spark plug real quick, and then we're gonna go from there. So boom. cutting off. All right, so what just happened is, I don't know if y'all can see it, but we completely grenaded the belt on the fucking torque converter, dog. It is what it is, shouty. We about to walk to the crib. Fuck it. Don't have to walk home. Oh, I knew something felt weird, bro. I was literally feeling bits and pieces of the belt fly at my leg. I knew something was up, man. This is the second belt I've destroyed with the 356 cam so far. This bitch is pushing just a little too much, man. A little too much, shouted. But it's great. We about to get her back to the crib. I got some more belts at home. I'm gonna have to go on Amazon and order some more belts, so we're gonna be all right. And I'm down the street from the crib, so we not too far away from the house. So I ain't tripping on the shouty. It's straight. But y'all just be careful, man. Y'all make sure y'all belts is all tuned up and shit. Cause y'all see what just happened to me. Now your boy gotta pimp it back to the crib. Yeah, no. If it's not one thing, it's another, my brother. But it is what it is. Fuck it, y'all. Alright, I'm about to stop at this gas station. I'm gonna need something to drink for this ride to the crib. Alright, let me give y'all a proper outro. But yeah, so we back at the crib now after a little walk. Nothing too crazy. Tires doing good, everything's doing good. I took off the filter to get more airflow. So, yeah. And I know I'm still not getting full RPM range. I was only at, so let's see what the top RPM range was. This is kind of off a little bit. But let's see what it assumes. Oh, 5,400. See, bro, we was pushing, dog. Like, come on, we was pushing. 54 is what it claims, and it's off by at least over 1,500. So we're at least at like 67 and some change, bro. Like, you know, we at least at 6,700, dog. And I know at the output shaft, it's at least pushing 9, almost 10,000. It's gonna be pushing 10,000 soon, and I got some stuff that's proven to make over 10,000. So y'all gonna see that coming up soon. But yeah, I'm back at the crib, about to install this new belt, and I'll see you guys later. Everybody, happy New Year's. Hope y'all stay safe, and remember, always keep the shiny side up. Kaboom! I'm out.